I got all these in the mail, so let's do an unboxing. I have no idea what's in these things. I think this one's a hair growth serum, but I'm not completely sure. So, moisture lip balm, and yeah, hair growth serum. That's what I thought. This is so cute. A little note that came with the lip balm. May the treasures we craft bring you boundless joy and fulfillment. That's so cute. And these are from Hair Growth Co. I should do a video trying it out. On to the next. It says on the package, new to Canada, which I'm pretty sure is the self-tan that I got. Oh, face tan water. I'm so excited to try this. Are you kidding me? I'm so excited to try this. Okay. I've been wanting to do more fake tanning and less actual tanning, especially for the summer, just because I know it's so bad for your skin, and I've been thinking about that lately, so I'm so excited to try this. Okay, this one I truly have no idea, because it's just a box, and it doesn't say anything on the label, so let's see. Okay, I know what this is. Okay, this is from ELUXE. I'm so excited. Okay, this is what I got. This one is the Repair Hair Oil. As you can see from my last thing that I got, I'm trying to get my hair longer and healthier. And then I got Rejuvenating Conditioner and Sparkling Shampoo. I am so excited about this. Okay. Also, I'm trying out my mini mic, so I hope that this is actually making a noise. Super excited to try that out. Okay, and then my last one. So let's have an unboxing. I guess it is an unboxing, but I already know what it is. I got this like million step skincare. It's from Serum exclusive. Okay, a little bag to put my stuff in. Collagen Lift Moisturizer for face and eyes. Facial cleanser. Age Defense Moisture. Ooh, micro peel resurfacing pads. Intensive Repair Serum. Fill and Freeze Wrinkle Treatment. Volume Lip Therapy. Ooh. If you know me, you know that I'm obsessed with any lip product, so. Intensive Eye Rescue. Oh, okay. I see. It's like a step-by-step, and you can put the little stickers on each step, I guess. Okay. Okay, I already messed it up and put the sticker on the wrong thing. Okay. Step 1, facial cleanser. Step 2 is the micro peel resurfacing pads. This is so helpful because I'm so bad at knowing like what skincare steps to do. Like I just get so confused. Okay, it looks like the intensive repair serum is step 3. Okay, and it looks like this collagen lift moisturizer is step 4. There's only 4 stickers. And I still have all of this left, so. Okay, it looks like for step 5, it's all 3 of these. So, but there's no stickers, so that's not very satisfying. Okay, I'm gonna put all this stuff in the little bag they gave me. I really hope that this mini mic is working because I'm talking so quiet and I'm being so loud with all of this crinkling, so. cute. So just a recap of everything that I got this growth hair serum and the lip balm by Hair Growth Co. And this actually smells so good. It smells like essential oils or something. Then I got the tan face butter from Huda. I'm so excited to try this. I'm gonna look so tan in my next video. And then I got the ELUXE set shampoo, conditioner, and the hair repair oil. And also the packaging is so cute. And then I got this skincare set. So very exciting. Hope you liked my first little haul video. Many more to come because I've ordered so many things. So, bye.